Hey guys! Filing your Uber Eats taxes using TurboTax is actually very simple, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So first, open your browser and go to turbotax.intuit.com. This is the official TurboTax website. So once you're on the home page, scroll down a bit until you see different options for filing. Look for File Your Own Taxes and click Start for Free. Now, you'll see TurboTax available plans. If you're doing a basic return or want to start without paying upfront, you can choose the free edition, which only charges when you file. Next, you'll need to create an account if you don't have one. Just follow the prompts to enter your name, email, and password. So once you're signed in, TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions. Since you're filing as an Uber Eats delivery driver, make sure you select self-employment income. Add any deductions like phone use, gas, or equipment if applicable. TurboTax does a great job of walking you through everything. And it even helps calculate your total taxes and deductions automatically. And that's it. You're now ready to file your Uber Eats taxes through TurboTax. Thanks for watching.